This is gonna be the best tuna boat known to mankind, alien form, and any other entity out there in the whole entire dang world, I tell you. I'm gonna show you how to make this dang good tuna steak boat. Okay guys, so you might have seen our other video where we ended up doing a turkey boat and we made this Dano's Chipotle Mayo. That Chipotle Mayo is so dang good that I decided, hey, what if we put it on some tuna steak, make a tuna steak boat? Why not? Let's do the damn thing. First step, a little bit of oil. Kind of rub that around on all the sides. Flip it over, rub it on the back side. Get it all nice and oiled up. Take your Chipotle Danos. Sprinkle generously. Rub that around. Make sure you're coating the sides as well. You want to get the sides. You want this tuna steak to be fully flavored and flavored full. Oh. It's looking good, guys. I can already tell. The idea that I had in my mind of how this is gonna taste is literally, I'm tasting it right now, just smelling all the flavor of these natural herbs and spices. Add a little more of that damn flavor. Oh yeah. Quick and easy way to cook it. Air fryer it is. Let's throw it in. Okay guys, you wanna slide this in the air fryer. 370 degrees. Here's the important part. How you want it cooked is dependent on how long it's in the air fryer. So, for a rare tuna, should be about 4 to 6 minutes. For a medium, you're gonna look for about 8 minutes. And for a well done, 12 or more minutes will do. Let's get it going. 370. We're gonna go for medium. Time likes to jump. Time flies when you're pushing fast. 8 minutes, 370, let's let it fry. Meanwhile, let me show you how we're gonna plate this delicious, dang good tuna steak. Take your rinsed lettuce, romaine, cut it down here. There's your boats. Get our mixy bowl here. Do it the right way, the way all toothpick does it. Add you a little bit of that Dano's in the bottom. Leave the top open, because we're not finished yet. Get you your mayo. Get you a couple scoops of mayo. Add some more Danos. And then, as Dan always says, mixy. Let me show you something, guys. I'm a man of flavor. I love flavor. Hence why I use Dano's seasoning. However, that doesn't look flavorful enough. Add a little more. Because the low sodium, all natural herbs and spices, remember, you cannot overdo it. All you're bringing out is more flavor. That right there is the consistency of a dang good Chipotle Mayo. That's what I'm talking about. All right, guys, check out this dang good looking tuna steak. It's got all that flavor wrapped around it on the sides. This is gonna be the best tuna boat known to mankind, alien form, and any other entity out there in the whole entire dang world, I tell you. So, what do you think about that?
Looks pretty raw to me.
Due to the size of the steak, we went a little longer than 8 minutes. Started coming apart and I was able to get a view of it. It is the perfect medium you could ask for. Check that out, guys. Yeah. So what we're gonna do, we're going to cut it in little fillets, little slivers. Let me show you how to assemble your boat. You grab your perfect piece of lettuce. You take that dang good Chipotle Mayo over here. A little bit right down the middle. Just like so. Yeah. Oh, you guys. I'm telling you what. There's your perfect tuna boat. Holy Chipotle. Dano's done it again. Check that out. Yo, this is so flavor packed it don't know how to act. I'm going in again. Oh, Dan. Holy Danos. The crisp, the crunch, it's flavored a bunch. You guys, this is a must try. Like, follow, subscribe, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. We're always doing the damn thing. Check it out.